up, everybody? I'm talking to you guys watching. Welcome back to the Rad Skate Park Check-In New York City edition. I'm Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Company. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Right now we are at the Mccarran Skate Park in Brooklyn, BK, New York. If you don't know what we're up to, we're gonna get inside and show you every feature and shred it. Episode 15. Come on inside, come on. Welcome inside Mccarran Park. As soon as you walk in here, you got a quarter pipe right off the bat. This one's pretty nice. Looks to be about 4 foot high, and it's got round coping on the top. Typical quarter pipe. You see these everywhere. Cruising right along. This is not a big park by any means. It's pretty small. It's not the smallest, but it's medium size. Round rail. And it's being put to work. We like that. There you go, a little Grom shredding. This one looks to be about 12 feet long, and it's cemented in the ground, and it's right here at the Mccarran Park. What are you guys busting out on this thing? Here it is, switchboard slide, folks.
All right, you don't have to buy pizza then.
Switch God. Yeah, right.
I said in my head, I was like, if he doesn't land it, he's buying us some pizza.
I'm buying you guys pizza regardless. That was going through my head too. It's a little hectic in here. We're gonna try not to get in anyone's way. As you can see, people are skating. Here's this ledge right here I want to show you. Got this bag on top of it. You know whose bag that is. Down ledge. Hubba. Here it is. Connected to this bank. Wait. While we're standing here, yeah, there's this rail right here. I want to show you this stuff right here.
What would you call that kind of rail?
Kinked rail. Flat. I don't know. It's a round, kinked. I'm not sure. What would you call it? All right, guys. Right here is a mirror image on what's on that side. Kinked rail, bank, hubba. I like seeing these kind of fun boxes. It's like a foot high. It's very approachable. It's like my warm up, the go-to. It's perfect. It's got like that flat. This is built perfect. Sorry, dude. My bad. It's just built perfectly. I'm getting away with the scooter kids, man, but that's still foul. That didn't take long at all. My man is dead.
Realize Beanie Boom.
Oh, look, we're out of the park right now, but out of the way, which is good. Speed bump to this section, this flat section. It's an entrance or an exit, whatever you guys want. And speed bump. It's open wide, so get your flat ground on. No one's gonna bother you here. On this side right here, a steep bank. I believe it's a steep bank. It looks like a very steep bank, but it's like a wall ride too. So that's cool. Probably gonna come back over here and hit this wall ride section. I'm not sure. And right here is another speed bump, but more importantly than the speed bumps that I showed you, there's another quarter pipe on this side, but it's kind of like sectioned off like a hip. You've got two sides. Your takeoff zone or quarter pipe zone, whatever you want to do, guys, it's right there. Guys, you got a wax ledge right here for that street vibe. Hey mate, I'm not quite in the park. It's pretty hectic here, right Ant? Yes. Euro gap with 2 rails, tiny bank or whatever you want to use this thing for. There is a hip right there that looks very approachable, not too steep. If you want to get your hip tricks going, it's right there. I'm not going to go over there. I'm showing you right here. Right here, we have the Illuminati Pole Jam. Big brother is always watching. Just quickly, I wanted to show you up top. It's more flat ground. Come on this way. There's the surface. It's definitely super smooth. And I wanted to show you, oh, it's a double set. I didn't even know that. Oh, not really. It's just a big set. It's a big set. I'm not in the way. These guys are chilling. There's 2 handrails right here. Send it, guys, send it. Right over here, another hip on this side connected to those stairs we just showed you. And I wanted to show you this bank to this curb that looks, I always talk about a wave, but there it is, curb connected to the bank. It looks a lot of fun. Yeah. Ground report here. It's rad. It's so smooth. A+ for your ground report. This thing right there, volcano, super big volcano. Shape of another triangle. I believe the Illuminati cult has been into this park, and I'm very afraid and concerned. You're still watching? Thank you. I showed you Mccarran Park. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe this video. Hit those buttons. Guys, if you're searching for us, you can find us at Instagram, at Boardsport. You could also find us on Facebook. Our website is www.radboardsport.co. I've had enough, and that's it. We're calling it quits at the Mccarran Park. I hope you guys like the features here. Maybe you'll come down here and skate. Maybe you won't. Just finished. You know, we're done. It's time for some pizza. The Brooklyn spot's at. The Brooklyn pizza at. You still watching? Guys, look, Gustavo's back.
Goose!
Thank you, Goose, for taking all those radical photos. He's healing. He's got a rest, but he's out here, alive and well. The package is safe. Yo, we're signing out, man. I've had enough. Ride all day.
So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
Hang it up.